In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Firefly's AI. By the end, you'll have a meeting assistant that can automatically join your calls, capture everything that's said, and hand you clear summaries and action items without any extra work on your part. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Firefly's website. On the homepage, look for the button that says Get Started Free. Click that to begin. You'll be prompted to sign in, and the easiest path is to use your Google or Outlook account. Choose the option that matches the calendar you actually use for scheduling meetings. If you manage multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you're selecting the one where your work or primary meetings live, so Firefly's connects to the right calendar from the start. After you sign in, click Continue to move forward. You'll then be asked to allow calendar access. This is important, because Firefly's needs to see your meeting invites and times to know when to join and record. Grant the requested permissions so it can read your calendar events and attach itself to the calls you schedule. These permissions only enable Firefly's to do its job. You're not sharing your credentials, and you can adjust or revoke access later if you ever need to. Next, simply continue through any on-screen prompts. If you see permission pop-ups, approve them so Firefly's can function correctly with your chosen account. Keep clicking. Continue whenever prompted. You'll know you're finished when you reach the final confirmation screen that indicates everything is set up. At that point, you're done. No extra configuration required. From now on, Firefly's will automatically detect meetings on your connected calendar and join them to record, as long as the event includes a supported conferencing link. After each call, you'll receive a full transcript and a concise summary that highlights key points, decisions, and next steps. Firefly's also surfaces action items from the conversation, helping you turn discussion into tasks without rewinding or re-listening. That's the entire setup process. Go to the Firefly's website, click Get Started Free, sign in with Google or Outlook, click Continue, allow calendar access, and proceed through any prompts until you're done. With those steps complete, you've enabled auto-recording, accurate transcripts and summaries, and automatic tracking of action items so your meetings become searchable, shareable, and far easier to follow up on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly streamlined meeting workflow.